Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i has filed complaints of bias against two judges who issued orders against him, Police Chief Joseph Boinnet and Immigration Principal Secretary Gordon Kihalangwa. Appearing before MPs today, Matiang'i charged that Justice George Odunga and Rosalyn Aburili gave orders in the Miguna deportation cases without granting the government side a hearing. But as Sam Ogina reports, Miguna's lawyers had earlier complained that police and state officials frustrated them when they attempted to serve the orders.
Stung by the ruling of Justice George Odunga slapping the Interior CS, Inspector General of Police and the Director of Immigration with a 200,000 shillings fine each for contempt of court, the Interior CS was critical, alleging a conspiracy between the judiciary, a clique of lawyers and the civil society to cripple the executive.
This is not about the judiciary. It is about a clique of judicial officers who have gotten into an unholy relationship with a clique of activist lawyers and oppositionist civil society people with the intention of humiliating the government, stalling the government, embarrassing the government and making it impossible for the government to perform.
The trio are fined for not producing fiery lawyer Miguna in court, but they pleaded innocence, claiming they were not served a single order and as such want judges Rosalyn Aburili and George Odunga sanctioned for dishing out orders without hearing the government side.
And we are so dissatisfied with the manner in which this was done that we have filed a complaint through the Office of the Attorney General to the Judicial Service Commission on the manner in which the judicial officers who handled this matter conducted themselves. We were not heard. There was no evidence we were heard. They took decisions based on lies.
But even as the CS held that they had not been served, the General Service Unit officers on Wednesday thwarted attempts by Miguna's lawyers to serve the immigration officers at JKIA. On Tuesday, a similar cat-and-mouse chase happened as state officers dodged the lawyers, leaving them with no option but to pin the orders on a notice board at JKIA.
There's a clique in the judiciary that has been captured by a group of people in civil society and a clique of activist lawyers, and they are riding roughshod.
Since January 2018, state officers have ignored over 10 court orders on various cases, among them the Miguna deportation debacle and the switch off of 4 television stations in the country. This executive contempt earning Matiang'i and the Police Inspector General Joseph Boinnet as well as other officers the tag of lords of impunity.
Have you wondered, in the last 3 years, one civil society activist in Kenya has obtained nearly 30 court orders, ex parte, 30. He walks in, he gets an order, comes out. He walks in, he gets an order, comes out. In fact, he could even walk in today and say he wants an order so that all cabinet secretaries commit suicide. You'll get the order.
Justice Odunga has been in the eye of the storm before for putting to task the executive as he served at the Judicial Review Division of the High Court.
You can actually sell poison in this country because all you need is to go to court and get a court order and put it on your door and sell poison in this country.
Odunga has since taken up his new assignment as the presiding judge in Machakos. Sam Ogina for The Big Question.